What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be telling you how to send a test email in the Mailchimp. For that, the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So, what you have to do is to click on the link in the description below, so you will be redirected to this dashboard. All you have to do is to log in with your official account, and then you have to navigate on the left hand side. You will see the campaign option. Just go ahead and click on that. Then you will see that there will be, if you haven't already started email, obviously if you're looking for a test email, then you must have a draft already ready. Then just go ahead and click on your draft, and on the top right side you will see a test email option. Just click on that, and then you just need to enter the address, for example 123 gmail.com, and then send test. This is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.